Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is chickpeas, and we'll be making Chickpea Edamame Hummus monsters and chickpea pasta with chorizo, shrimp, tomatoes, and herbs.
Hello.
These
Hi, ladies.
recipes sound great.
Nice,
Where should we start?
These are canned chickpeas. Just take them out of the can, rinse them, dry them off,
Okay.
and that's it. You're in good shape.
That.
We have a little bit of tahini, sesame paste.
Okay.
I like the edamame in it. It adds a nice color for it. It adds more nutrition for children. Okay, let's put our salt and pepper in it.
Very monstrous, right?
Okay, exactly right. We want the green face for the monster. Okay,
Absolutely.
Put a little bit of the olive oil in it.
That
Okay.
looks really good. Very
We're gonna
easy.
get the machine going.
Okay.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh.
So we'll turn that off. And that's pretty good the way it is right there. We'll turn that off for a second and we'll look at our chickpea
So
pasta.
very quickly that
Pasta.
became very smooth.
Yeah, and you can
consistency.
let it go a
that
little
was
longer to
2
get it
seconds.
smoother, and we're going to taste it. So we're using a chickpea pasta today.
Are chickpeas high in protein?
It is a source of protein. It's also a great source of fiber. I like to incorporate chickpeas or chana. In our culture, we call it chana. But we like to incorporate it with different dishes. And it's great for, like I said, with the source of fiber. It's a good source of protein. Another thing that you can have and that you don't think about is calcium for bone growth.
Okay, so there are
as well as
superfoods
iron and zinc. There's just a ton of things that you can get out of chickpeas that people don't think
They're really
about.
tasty. And you mentioned the chana. You see them in a lot of different cuisines.
Absolutely.
So all I did here was I put some butter, I put garlic, I sauteed my chorizo a little bit. I put the chickpeas in there, coat them with the butter and
really
the
good.
chorizo.
Smells really good. It looks great. I would just eat it
small
right
cooked
like
shrimp.
that.
I'm like, can we
I have
just
some
eat that?
small, we call these small in a restaurant. We already put some salt and pepper in it. We're going to deglaze with a little bit of white wine.
Okay.
I have some prepared tomato sauce. You can use some chunky canned tomatoes.
Oh, that looks
Okay.
great.
And we're going to put our chickpea pasta in. Just let it cook through. You know, let it warm up.
so
So
good.
we're good there. Let's go back to our hummus. Let's make sure this is nice and creamy and tasty.
Okay.
Okay.
So another
I think we're good. Okay, let's taste it.
So great in terms of your overall like energy levels, not feeling fatigued, worrying about people being anemic, so having a low hemoglobin and feeling like they don't have enough energy to run around and do their day-to-day activities.
Right, which is so
this
important
is a great
for your
source.
kids, too.
Absolutely.
So I think this looks pretty creamy. And here we have our hummus. I'll give you a spoon.
Okay.
And you're going to go ahead and make your little monster face on your
Okay,
plate
I'll
for me,
decorate.
okay?
I can
You good with that?
absolutely
Okay,
decorate.
great.
So this is the exciting part. This is when your kids can get involved. But I love that idea
Little
because
Shrek collar
it gets
guy.
you adding different fruits and vegetables to your dish. So they'll be more
He looks good.
excited to eat them.
You got cucumbers for your eyes?
Making the hair. It has to stand out.
And again,
Make
very
it
have a good hair day
inexpensive
today.
ingredients
Pupils?
that you can get in any local grocery store.
I mean, this could be a party.
This could be a
Yeah.
party.
We're starting something new here. Hummus,
be a
hummus party. Ah, look at the teeth.
That's right. That's great.
First, let's try our pasta.
That's really cute.
Like I said, once you put
Very
all this
good.
in,
How do you like my monster?
your
Is it
pasta's-
cute?
This looks great right now. Look at the herbs. The
Do you
shrimp
need
were already
this?
cooked.
Okay.
You know, the pasta soaked up some of the sauce.
That looks delicious. Okay, let's try these
Okay,
delicious dishes.
monster
Why don't we
first?
start with the monster? This monster looks like me most mornings,
Oh,
actually.
I'm sure it's
So-
not true. I'm sure that's not true at all.
Give it a try.
It's good. You see, you can taste the sesame and the tahini.
Yeah,
that
that's
little
right,
bit really adds a
without-
lot to it. Yeah.
Yeah, a
So-
little bit really
Great,
does
it's a
go a
fun
long way.
idea.
Really good.
Ladies?
You can
That
also
was
taste
easy.
the edamame. It's delicious.
All right.
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Can't wait.
I can't wait to try this pasta,
take a shrimp.
especially one of these shrimps.
That's so good.
Really good.
And I always find like
chickpea
it's hard
pasta,
with that chickpea pasta
It
to get the
absorbs
right
it
texture,
absorbs
but
the
this
sauce
one's
though. Yeah,
perfect.
it's good. Yeah, it absorbs the sauce flavor nicely.